Good day, everyone. This is another edition of CHY tutorials. In these tutorials, I'm going to teach you on how to generate link for new prospects to register. So first of all, this CHY Color Your Life. This is a website. So you just have to log in. So let's say I've logged in. Now it's logging in. So you click on the skip as usual. Skip. And the reason why we are clicking on the skip is because at the moment the email verification is not yet activated. But way forward it will be activated for us to verify our emails. Okay, so now this the phlegmatic account. You can see it here, phlegmatic. Yeah, this is it. And in these tutorials I'm going to teach you how to generate your own link for new prospects to register. But don't forget to click on the link below to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And the reason why I always emphasize on that is you will get updated anytime I post tutorials on YouTube. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so you click on my orders here. My orders. This is my orders. You click on it. Good. Now you can see it opened here. So this is a phlegmatic account. Good. Now you scroll and you can see invitation link. You click on it. Invitation link. You click on it. Click on it, and it's loading. It's loading. And once it's finished loading, you see service center ID. So here you have to enter the service center you want to use in registering the person. You have to enter the service center. You know, the service center is there to serve members. You understand? So the service center I'm using for this person is 2020, and the referral ID you cannot edit it. It's the same as the sponsor. So it's my name over here, phlegmatic, and the position left. So the system automatically generated the resettlement for me. That is placer ID. That is decreased over here. The system automatically generated it for me, and this resettlement is on my weaker leg. You understand? But if you want to edit it as well, you can edit it and place the placer ID you want this new account to be under. You understand? So you can edit it or you leave it for the system to generate for you. Then you click on create. So you click on create. Good. So this is the link. This is the link over here. You can see it. Good. Exactly. This is what we are talking about. This CHY website. Very powerful. Very powerful. You can see it here, beautifully displayed here. That's my picture. So yeah, you click on copy. So I click on copy. Now it has been copied. So good. So now you go and paste this link. You send it to your new prospects to click on to register. Thank you very much for watching these tutorials, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for more updates. Bye.